Introducing the Dual Bunny Teaser, two intensely powerful, independently controlled vibrating stimulators with a removable bunny tickler sleeve. The controller and clit teaser are made of a crystallescence material. The multi-speed power bullets are made of a silver-plated, safe and pure hard plastic. The bullets are 2¼ inches long and 1 inch wide. They can be used to stimulate any part of your body for extreme pleasure, and if you choose to use the bunny sleeve, you'll see how perfect the vibrating ears and nose are for clitoral stimulation. It's easy to use. Just turn either the top or bottom dial on the controller to the desired intensity of vibrations. Each dial controls one of the bullets. The contoured controller uses 3 AA batteries. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Dual Bunny Teaser with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Double your pleasure and let the little bunny pet you with the Dual Bunny Teaser.